All right, so some bad news. Head over to here. And we'll scroll down and just have a look on the left-hand side here to see if we have anything that says people. No. What about if we search for chips? I think this is just a general class chips. It's in app script. See this where this leads us. So it's a card services chips, so that's not what we wanted at all. But that's pretty much it. So we do have some chip access in Google Docs, but not in Google Sheets at the moment. I do have a, where is it? Let's go to, we want to look for Google Sheets, people. This one here. Okay, so this is one I posted, a feature request I posted a while ago, and my request is to make a people chip here. The reason why is I do not encourage you to use chips in Google Sheets if you're applying or intend to apply Google App Script or some sort of programming or macro to them, because they can't read the details of the chips. It can read the display value, so if it says Scott at Yagisanatode.com, it can read that, or whatever else is displayed here. Actually, let's give that a little test. Let's just go into extensions, app scripts. And we'll say data. Spreadsheet app. Make a chain. Get active. Get range. So sheet. One. What was it? A2 to A5. And just get values. See what happens first. So console.log data. Oh, data. That's better. And hit run. Yep, review permissions. Continue. Range not found? No. Need an exclamation mark there instead. Silly. Okay, so we've got the email addresses here. What about if we change this to where is it? Format Smart Chips default. What are we going to get? So whatever we can see on the screen. So I'd imagine users are just going to go with the default approach. They're not going to be bothered searching around for format smart chips. They can barely do anything that's not prompted to them, right? So then you'll be asked, can we extract the email from this account? So another approach we might be able to go with is, let's go get formula. Try get formula, see if that works. I doubt it though. Nothing. What if we go all formulas, plural? still going to reveal nothing because there's no formulas in there. It's just an empty string. And of course, get display values is going to be whatever's shown. Okay, so same thing again, same as values. So there's no way for us to be able to access the Gmail in this current state. And if people try to flip around between the different chips or the chip formats, so back to this one, then we are pretty much stuck. So what I recommend is, as a policy in your organization, is to not use chips when you are using particular sections to draw data from, like emails. Or if you're going to use a chip in one section, then have another column with just the straight emails. Simple as that.